Hi everyone, my name is Chris and I'm from Need for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Huge profits today by trading cryptos using Crypto Bull app. And today video it will be an update about the Crypto Bull app and the profits gained using this particular trading software. So if you want to see what's all about, stay here until the end of this video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. So let's jump into the video. Alright everyone, so this is a quick update for Crypto Bull app trading software. And at the beginning, for those of you who don't know what the Crypto Bull app is, Crypto Bull app, it is a automated trading software and also semi-automated trading software. So that means it will find the best trades in the market, and it will automatically place those trades into your broker account. But also you have the opportunity to manually place those trades. And as you can see here in this upper top trading signals, you can click on the signal and it will place, you have the opportunity to choose the signal, and it will place it into your connected broker. I don't recommend you to use these top trading signals because I've used it before and they are not so profitable. Just use the auto trade button. As you can see here, at this moment it is on my auto trade button, it's on. So it will find the best entries in the market, the best trades in the market, and it will place it into my 24 option broker, because this is my broker that I am using at this moment with Crypto Bull app. The only thing that you have to do is to click the link below this video if you want to join Crypto Bull app, and you only need $250 to start using this software. Until this moment, for me, it was working like a clock charm. So I will show you a little bit my balance. But first things first, the only thing that you need to know about this trading software is that you have a demo here. You can go to demo and you can try it first. And the other thing is that you need to set these settings. You have to set these settings here. Take trade amount, daily stop loss, trade stop loss, daily take profit, maximum current trades, maximum daily trades. So if you don't know how to set this, if you start with $250, it will be other settings here, of course. After you join and you register to your broker and you deposit money into your broker account, you can email me at chrisbrag@gmail.com and I will send you my settings that I started my account, with the minimum $250. At this time, now I'm trading only with cryptos today because I wanted to verify cryptos, and only two pairs, Bitcoin USD and Bitcoin Euro. As you can see here, they are on, all of the assets are on off, and these two are on, as you can see. And these are my results until now. As you can see here, my balance, it's here, it's $21,600 at this moment, and the profit is bigger because I already made an withdrawal of $15,000 with 24 option. I'll put the video somewhere here. You can see it with where I'm showing the steps that you have to make when you make an withdrawal, and you can watch it. And let's go and have a look a little bit on the today's tradings. I have as you can see, I have these trades here, and this was set here on 10, but I just wanted to show you how it works. And only when you make a settings, just be aware to click on save settings, and it will save the settings as you can see, settings saved successfully. So if you make a change here, only click on save settings. All right. As you can see, my broker is 24 option, and let's go and have a look on each trade in part. I have one open trade on Bitcoin Euro, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 winning trades and one losing trade, and my investment is set on $750, and as you can see, I have a profit so far of $6,000 minus 750. That would be $5,250 profit, and I don't know this trade, it looks like it will be in the money, but wait and see. And let's go and have a look a little bit on each trading part. First one, Bitcoin Euro, it was placed at 827 on open price of 8133.05. Let's have a look a little bit on trading view chart. Trading view chart, you can use trading view chart if you want to have a better look on the charts. And as I said, this one, first one, it was open at 827. Where is it? 827. So somewhere here, 826. So it was open somewhere here, 826, and it was at the price of 8133.85, and it was closed at 1149 at the price of 8297.19. 1149, somewhere here. So somewhere here at the price of 8297. 8297 right here. So it was closed right here. It was open here, and it was closed here. All right, and the other one, Bitcoin USD, is the same thing because the chart looks like the same. You can check it on TradingView platform. Bitcoin Euro, the same. It was a sell. It was the entry in the market at 12.58, and it was closed at 3.30 at the price of 8,181.98. Bitcoin USD, another one, it was it's the same like this one. It's at 12.58, and it get in the market, and it was placed the trade and at the price of 9269.73, and it was closed at the price of 91.61.16. and the last one, Bitcoin USD, it was a sell, and as you can see, it was a losing trade, but that's not a problem. And we have this one, Bitcoin Euro, which is a Bitcoin Euro, which is a buy, and it was placed at 329. Where is it? Here, 329. Here, 330, 8181.98. 8179.93. It is a buy, so we are expecting this to go up. So let's see what will happen. Anyways, if we close this session at this, and this will be, if this will be a losing trade, we are on profit also. We will be on $4,500 profit, and this is very, very good for one day trading. So that's the video for today. I'll put the link below this video in the description area if you want to try Crypto Bull app, and I'll see you in the next video. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.